It's getting warmer now. It'll be Easter soon. We just have to wait for the next full moon. It's springtime in Toledo. There's excitement in the air. We're so tired of the winter and the temperatures we bear. The frigid air from Canada totally sucks ass. And we get it every year in the city of glass. The wind is always blowing. But in April, you're a fool if you think no way it is snowing. The bushes and trees are alive and colored by the second week of May. Skies are often sunny and blue, unlike the April skies of gray. The plentiful rain can sink your mood like a nuclear torpedo. But with spring comes rebirth and new life in Toledo. I was born in Toledo in the middle of May. If you think about my name, you'll know the day.